everything is great. Everything is grand. I got the whole wide world in the palm of my hand.
Everything is perfect, it's falling into place. I can't seem to wipe this smile off my face. Life's a happy song when there's someone by my side to sing along.
Because they're like, nice. Nice.
You see that?
That was
Yeah.
good. Is that your stomach?
No.
Are you sure?
Positive. The one of the little creaky noise over there?
Nope, that was definitely someone's stomach.
Hola guys, I'm Tyler. We're gonna be opening up some stuff.
You can open them at the same time.
Weird. Two. Did you get a receipt?
We did this time. I didn't get a sticker.
Not one? I got two.
Thanks.
So how do you do it?
That's weird, I didn't get a sticker. Wait, I did. I got
Oh. Dang. Lies.
Sorry.
All lies. Got the Supreme Champion hoodie. Champion stuff on the sleeve. Supreme Champion.
This is actually pretty cool.
Yeah, I like the little patchwork right here. Doesn't say anything on the back though. Or whatever. Haters only look at my back. What'd you get?
It always smells weird.
Smells like an odd plastic.
I don't like it. But I got the patch on the sleeve. That's pretty much it for it.
Yeah.
All red.
Except for you.
I kind of like this just because it's like, you know, classic.
Yeah, it's on the side. I like the patch though. I like how it's not screen printed on the sleeve.
Yeah, it's an actual patch.
So,
Sleeve patch hoodie. It's very plain, but I really like that.
nah.
And I like the color, like, you know, because it's like.
Sometimes plain is the best though. Sometimes you don't always have to be all flashy with everything. At least go a little bit simple and just show people up. I'm not here folding stuff. I hate folding clothes. Pretty
You're really good at it though.
Well, yeah, no, I can.
What they want, what they want, what they want. Dollar signs, yeah, I know it's what they want. What they want, what they want, what they want.
ALASA package.
That was really good.
Yeah, see, Supreme Champion. Nah, I used to work at a Zoomies. All I did was fold clothes. Don't ever want to do that again. Oh yeah, she actually didn't cut me from like the last episode.
So we both got a pair of shoes
And a hoodie
and a hoodie.
each.
So that's kind of why we made the video. Got it?
Yeah. I'm not gonna cut myself.
No, your face is a little closer.
What?
Oh my tongue.
Oh! You okay? I don't get what this nonsense right here is for.
It's so it doesn't, the box doesn't jiggle around and stuff.
I'm gonna keep these. This is big bubble wrap. Some thank you Nike. Nike versus Adidas. What'd you get? These smell pretty good, like fresh shoes. Alright,
Mine don't smell as Nike smell better than
Trace. Got these are some Air Max ones, the anniversary reds, like the color. I don't know, these were for Air Max Day. Oh yeah, stickers. It came with like Air Max stickers and whatnot. Stayed up for these, kind of. Fell asleep 15 minutes before they dropped. She had to get them for me. Thankfully, I am lucky enough to have Jordan because she is good at this shit and she loves helping me and she's just amazing. But now I got some. The colorway itself though is super dope. They also made a blue pair. I don't know. It's like red versus blue, I guess. Kind of. Well, I don't know. Kind of reminds me of like Halo. I don't know.
They can kind of see it. There's like.
It's like Air Max tissue. Yeah, I don't know, it's got the Air Max on it.
It's a really cool box.
And then you get the sticker pack.
Ooh.
Nike Air. So.
I got the Adidas Ultra Boost. The 2.0s, not the 3.0s, because I don't like those. Wanted these for a really long time, because I really like white sneakers. Size 6.
Little baby feet. Tiny feet. Nah, do you know the trick to wearing Ultra Boosts?
What?
You gotta take out the soles.
Gotta take out the soles.
Trust me, take out the soles, it just rock them like that. Like, as weird as it sounds, it's just a lot more comfy. Just trust me on that one. I do it,
Big Sean.
and it's worth it.
That's pretty much it. 2 things for me.
2 things for me.
My hoodie goes with your shoes, though.
Yeah. And my shoes goes, or my hoodie goes with your shoes.
That actually looks.
Like that.
You gotta sign off now.
Oh. You guys can like, comment, and subscribe to her. I'm a scrub. I'm scrub-scribed.
That's actually really funny.
Why?
Scrub. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a scrub. I scrub-scribe. Subscribe to her YouTube channel.